They dipped the net into the clear water. After a moment, they pulled it up. "Look, a fish!" shouted Rahul excitedly. A small, shiny fish wiggled in the net. "We caught one," cheered Anita.
First, what did they dip into the water? A stick, B, a net, C, a bowl. Answer is B, a net. They dipped the net into the clear water. Second, how was the water described? A, cold, B, dirty, C, clear, D, deep. Answer is C, clear. The net was dipped into the clear water. Third, who shouted, "Look, a fish"? A, Anita, B, Raj, C, Rahul. Answer is C, Rahul. Rahul shouted excitedly. 4. Which word describes how Rahul shouted? A, quietly, B, excitedly, C, nervously, D, sadly. Answer is B, excitedly. Rahul shouted excitedly. 5th, what was wiggling in the net? A, a crab, B, a shell, C, a fish, D, a frog. Answer is C, a fish. A small, shiny fish wiggled in the net. 6. Who cheered, "We caught one"? A, Raj, B, Rahul, C, Anita, D, the fisherman. Answer is C, Anita. Anita cheered. 7. What is the opposite of pulled in this text? A, pushed, B, lifted, C, dropped, D, dipped. Answer is D, dipped. They dipped it in, then pulled it up. 8. Which word is a synonym for moment here? A, hour, B, time, C, second, D, day. Answer is second. After a moment can mean after a second. 9. Which adjective describes the fish? A, large, B, slow, C, shiny, D, old. Answer is C, shiny. The fish was small and shiny. 10. To wiggle means to A, swim fast, B, move side to side, C, jump high, D, stay still. Answer is B, move side to side. Wiggle means to move side to side. 11. The word caught is the past tense of A, catch, B, cut, C, cut, D, bring. Answer is A, catch, is the past tense of catch. 12. Which article is used before net in the text? A, an, B, the, C, a, D, one. Answer is C, A. They dipped the net. 13. Excitedly is what part of speech? A, noun, B, verb, C, adjective, D, adverb. Answer is D, adverb. Excitedly describes how Rahul shouted. 14. They in the passage refers to A, two boys, B, a boy and girl, C, the fish, D, the fisherman. Answer is B, a boy and girl. The illustration shows a boy and girl together. 15. The opposite of cheered is A, danced, B, laughed, C, cried, D, ran. Answer is C, cried. Cheered means shouted in happiness. Cried is opposite. 16. Which sentence is in the past tense? A, they cheer loudly. B, they are dipping the net. C, they dipped the net. D, they will dip the net. Answer is C, they dipped the net. This is past tense. 17. Choose the correct pronoun for Anita and Rahul. A, he, B, she, C, we, D. Answer is D, they. They dipped the net. The word shouted is used to show A, whispering, B, speaking quietly, C, talking loudly, D, singing. Answer is C, talking loudly. Shouted means to talk loudly. 19, pulled it up means A, dropped, B, lifted out, C, sank, D, left it. Answer is B, lifted out. Pulled it up means lifted out of the water.